Hi guys, thank you so much for joining me again for another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. So first off, apologies, I've not been around for a little while. I've had tons and tons of messages over the last couple of months asking me to come back and do more drawing tutorials, so thank you so much for those. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. Kicking things off today, I'm going to show you how to draw somebody running. So a cartoon character that is running. So there's a couple of things we're going to do here. We're going to start off drawing somebody who is jogging. And then we're going to show somebody running a little bit faster as well. Same sort of idea for both, but there's a few subtle differences that kind of make these work. So first off, we want to sketch in basic shape of a head, little circle up there. And then for the jogging body, we want the body to be kind of quite upright. So let's just do a little rounded rectangle there. And then it's all about the shape of the arms and the legs. So from here, we're going to sketch in an arm going backwards there, a little V shape, and then if you imagine the shoulders tucked in behind the body here at the other side, same sort of shape, little V shape, but you just can't see this bit because it's hidden behind the body of the arm coming up. And we're going to come down, same thing with the legs. We're going to have one leg coming forward and then back down in line with the body, and you have your first leg. Now the next leg is going to be tucked behind a little bit and then up again. And there you have your basic shape of somebody jogging. So you can add extra little bits on these if you want. Put some hands on, put the face on. Again, if you've checked my other drawing tutorials, you can look how to draw hands, you can look how to draw faces, bodies, all this kind of stuff. But for this time, we just want to make this nice and simple and show the basic shape of the body. Once you've got this, we'll come back in just a minute and we'll start kind of thickening this up and adding a few details. So this is your jogging figure. Now, if you want to make your character run a little bit faster, there's a few changes that we have to make. So this time we're going to start with the head, but we're going to tilt this forward a bit. So rather than straight up, tilted a little bit forward. There's our character's head. Now we want to do the same with the body. So as you're running, if you're really sprinting, you're kind of leaning forward, you're leaning into the run. So we've got a bit more of a dramatic shape for the body there, leaning forwards. And then we're going to do a very similar thing with the arms and the legs, but we're going to be much more exaggerated with them. So first off, this arm here, we're going to have right up in the air. I'm coming down again. So still that V shape, little hand on the bottom there. And we're going to do the same on this one, but instead of just being nice and simple there, we're really making this nice and dramatic, really sort of pumping those arms as he's running. And we're going to do exactly the same thing with the legs as well. So this leg that was kind of in line with the body for this one, we're going to put this right up here in the air and then right down again. So his knees are coming right up, almost touching his elbows. And this back leg, instead of kind of right underneath the body, we're going to do the same sort of thing, sticking right out behind him. And this guy's running so fast, he's literally kind of off the ground. So you add a little bit of shadow underneath there. And that's kind of it. It's really that simple. So if you want to kind of add a few little movement lines in these, you can do. Again, check out my tutorials on how to draw movement lines. Kind of show you how to bring this to life a little bit more. But you can just sort of practice putting together your jogging body and your sprinting body like this. And once you've got these parts in, you can kind of thicken up any of the bits that you need. You can start adding details. So we thicken up the leg there. You're kind of using these lines as a skeleton, I suppose. There you go. Put your little bloke together on there. And you have your little person who is running. And it's really that simple. So give this one a go. Have fun. Remember, if you enjoy these videos, remember to subscribe. Remember to like, follow, share, all that cool stuff. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you again next time.